When you're out hiking, don't mess with the trail markers. The other day I almost missed a turn because someone was sitting on a trail marker. And if I'm going to die in the woods, I want it to be because I slathered bacon grease on myself and decided to go find a bear, not because someone was sitting on a trail marker. In another video I did about cairns, those little piles of rocks that you see on mountaintops, turns out a lot of people will make their own or move them because they don't realize how important those are. So just be careful to leave the trail markers unobstructed. Make sure that they're there for other hikers to use because it could save someone's life.